Today we are going to turn back the memory to the lessons that we have learned. Total we have 10 lessons in supplementary reader. And we have completed 7 lessons. 3 more lessons are there that we will learn in the next section after learning something from the other book. First lesson we have seen the lost child. A child goes to a fair with the parents. In the midst he lost their parents in the fair, and the problems he is suffering there. We have seen all these in a pathetic way. When we will get a chance to go with our parents to some places like this, crowded place or entertainment place, we have to be careful. The theme shows this one. And whenever you get a chance to go to a picnic or a study tour, be careful with whom do you go. You have to keep up with them, stay with them, arrange with them, and do everything with them. It must be a reminding lesson for that one. We must be totally careful in such situations. Sometimes we ourselves do some mischievous things that will lose our way and thinking and our own people. It should not happen in our life. That will make main problems for the parents and the persons himself or herself. So it is our moral duty. Wherever we go, we have to be careful. Suppose we will get somebody to help us. That will be a turning point that we have seen in the lesson. Suppose nobody is caring us, then we will feel a lot. As per our age, we have to think and work. As a small child, it is very difficult to cope up with the other situations. So, whenever you go somewhere, whenever you get a chance to go somewhere with your family members, parents or any other person, with school members, teachers or whatever it may be, with your friends, you have to be careful. This is a wonderful lesson for the students. Even after crossing the childhood life, you will go out with your family members, grown-up family members. Suppose you are grown up and you go with your grown-up person, or you take the grown-up persons to some other places, then also it may happen. It is not only a factor of small children, but also for grown-up persons. So be careful if a situation comes like this in your life. And the second lesson, we have seen the adventure of Toto, the story of a monkey. When the grandfather brought the monkey in his house, he kept it for some time to escape from grandmother, because grandmother does not like to keep these type of animals in her house. And at last, with great difficulty, we have seen that grandmother was caught up with the monkey and allowed grandfather to keep the monkey for. But at the last, we have seen what happened there also. While he was traveling, the problems created in the train, the behavior of the TT, checking inspector, and considering the monkey as a dove, he fined the person, he forced the person to take ticket, and all these things we have seen. And what all the mischievous things that Toto had done in his house can be seen from the last paragraph. A total disturbance and destruction that he have done to the family, and other things that we have seen when we keep a pet. We must be careful. If we keep a pet, we have to give full time to it, as much as we can give, to look after the animal. And it must be with the knowledge of all the members of the family. And grandfather kept the animal for some time from hiding the grandmother. So it does not happen like this. We have to give full knowledge to all the members of the family, so that whenever there is a problem will come, they can adjust and manage everything if they have the knowledge that a particular animal is there in the house. So be careful when you try to keep an animal in your house. And the third lesson, we have seen that the great storyteller Ishwaran, and the way of his narration of the story, and the important points he keep with and make the others attractive. The capacity of the person to make stories, the things he explained about it, and finally he tries to tell the story of a ghost. In the end, we have seen that the person related that Mahendra left the place because a lot of forcible things came before him, and he could not adjust all these things. He left the place and demanded a transfer and went to some other place. The place is not mentioned. Where he has gone, that is not mentioned in the last part. But he faced a lot of problem with his cook and attendant. He liked to hear the stories, but in the end he was so serious. He gave importance the story to a reality. When he came into that situation, he thinks about the person who was telling the story, his meaning, how he liked to save himself to make other person to get away from that place, so that he can also get away from that place. In this way, some incidents were there concerning with this lesson. And in the fourth lesson, we have seen that in the kingdom of fools, we have seen that the king and minister was so fool. Their decision, their proclamation, when a stranger came from other place from his with his disciple, the things turned to be into another phase of the story. As per the belief of the fool king, the newcomer turned his mind to drop his position, and the stranger acquires the position of the king. The people of that area decided to make him the king, and he became the king and ruled the place very happily. And next we have seen the happy prince. he could not be the real king, but he wished to make his kingdom in such a happy manner because he was brought up with that kind of situation that he never knew about miseries. When he realized the misery, he decided to help his subjects. So, as a messenger, the writer brings forth a particular swallow, and with that swallow, he deputed the swallow to do something for the king. That means the possible king, prince, and he helped him, and by serving the prince, he finally surrender his life for him. That also we have seen from the lesson number 5. We have to be careful about other people, those who are unable to afford something. We have to bring a helping nature in our life. We have to think about others. Wealthy people, they do not think about other people in a normal way. It's a warning for healthy people. You may be a healthy person, or you have to do something for the poor people. The lesson teaches this. Whenever you come into power, many people will be there in your kingdom like this. Those who are facing problem, poor people, they cannot even afford their own food and shelter. You have to look after the people in a friendly manner. Help as much as you can. Give them whatever they need if you have. And by reducing our happiness, we can help others to make happy. All these things will be there in the lesson, and you have to try to follow in your future life. And in the next lesson, 6th lesson, weathering the storm in Ersama, the village of Orissa, we have seen the story of Prashant. How did he help the people of his own locality when there was a catastrophic problem, and he helped and paved the way for future life. In this way, he helped the people. And in the last lesson, we have seen the last leaf. To save the life of a girl, a person surrendered his life by doing something what he has done, painting the leaf to make the girl happy and to get away the fear of death from her. All these things we have seen in the last lesson. No need to explain because the latest lesson was thus that, and the point will be there in your mind, so there is no need to say much about this one. So once again you have to read. It is supplementary reader. All are in the form of stories, and you can understand. It's very simple. Language is simple. Tough words are very less, and if you take the time, you can make it clear without any difficulty. Whenever you get to 5 minutes, you have to try to read one lesson, so that you can revise all the things, all the stories, all the pain points, and all that stuff. And by doing this, you can acquire the knowledge, and at the same time, when the time will come in March, you can easily write the examination without any difficulty if you revise the lesson as much as you can. Okay.